This morning I heard about some of the challenges you face from a business, geopolitical challenges. We've got challenges of competition. There are challenges everywhere. So one of the things about being resilient is about being proactive with our resilience, not wait for the adversity to happen, but be prepared for it and think about for ourselves what challenges are coming for me that I need to be prepared for. So that's getting ready for. Next is responding to. How can we be better at responding to the inevitable challenges and stresses of life rather than reacting? And lastly, and really, really importantly, resilience is as much about recovering as it is enduring. It's as much about recharging our energy as it is about keeping on going, which is absolutely crucial for any business right now if you want to sustain your performance.